Hello children, welcome to online class. Today in this video class I am going to teach class 3rd social study chapter 4 our environment. Children, we already have completed 3 lessons, okay? And lesson 4 PDF I already have sent you. And this chapter is complete. Only the explanation part is left. So today I will explain this lesson. Before going to start watching this video, you have to sit with your textbook. See here, it is your SST book. Okay, so you have to sit with your book. Open your book, page number 27. Children, after finishing the reading part, I will give you the difficult words. And these difficult words you have to underline in your book. Okay, so let's begin with the reading. You have to do reading to improve your reading. If you will read with me, you can improve your reading. Okay, so let's start. Chapter 4, our environment. When we look around ourselves, we see many people, plants, animals and many more things. Both living things and non-living things make up our environment. The air we breathe in, the water we drink and the place where we live are all parts of our environment. Thus, everything around us is our environment. Many a time we throw waste. This waste pollutes our environment. Anything that is of no use for the environment and causes harm to it is called a pollutant. Let us read about different kinds of pollution. Air pollution. Air gets polluted due to various human activities like smoke given out of chimneys, smoke coming out of vehicles, bursting firecrackers, etc. Turn your page number 28. Air pollution causes many breathing problems like asthma and bronchitis. Polluted air is even bad for plants as well as for animals. We should plant trees to make the air pure. Water pollution. Many human activities lead to water pollution. People bathing and washing clothes in water bodies, bathing animals in water bodies, dumping waste in water bodies, mixing of waste, etc. Water pollution causes many diseases. If we drink polluted water, we might get diseases like stomach disorder, diarrhea, vomiting, etc. Land pollution. Land is polluted due to the following activities: throwing garbage in the open, dumping of waste by factories, overuse of fertilizers by farmers. Now, see the next page number 29, noise pollution. The sound that is not pleasant to our ear is called noise. When there is too much of noise, it is called noise pollution. It is caused because of blaring music, excessive honking of vehicles, bursting of crackers and use of loudspeakers. Loud noises can harm our ears and hearing. How to save our environment? Grow more trees, never throw garbage here and there, throw it in the covered dustbin, avoid using poly bags, carry jute or cloth bags while going shopping, say no to firecrackers, do not waste water, do not play music at a loud volume. Now children, reading part is over. Now I am going to write some difficult words from this lesson on the board. These words you have to underline in your book with the pencil. You have to underline it only. Okay, don't write in your notebook. Let's begin. Spelling number 1 is environment. ENVIRONMENT, environment. Number 2, breathe. BREATHE, breathe. Number 3, pollutes. POLLUTES, pollutes. Number 4, causes. CAUSES, causes. Number 5, pollutant. POLLUTANT, pollutant. Number 6, activities. ACTIVITIES, chimney. Number 8 is vehicles. VEHICLES, vehicles. Number 9, bursting. BURSTING, bursting. Number 10, firecrackers. FIRECRACKERS, firecrackers. Yes, children, keep on underlining. Okay. Now, next page. Spelling number 11 is asthma. ASTHMA, asthma. Number 12, bronchitis. BRONCHITIS. Number 13 is diseases. DISEASES, diseases. Number 14 is disorders. DISORDERS, disorders. Number 15, diarrhea. DIARRHOEA, diarrhea. Number 16, vomiting. VOMITING, vomiting. Number 17 is factories. FACTORIES, factories. Number 18 is fertilizers. FERTILIZERS, fertilizers. Number 19 is pleasant. PLEASANT, pleasant. Number 20, blurring. BLARING, blurring. Number 21, excessive. EXCESSIVE, excessive. 22, honking. HONKING, honking. Number 23 is loudspeakers. LOUDSPEAKERS, loudspeakers. Number 24, polybags. POLYBAGS, polybags. And number 25 is volume. VOLUME, volume. These are the 25 spellings which are new for you and which are little bit difficult. So you have to learn all these spellings. First you have to underline in your textbook with the help of pencil and then you have to learn it. Number 1, breathe. Number 2, pollute. Number 4, causes. Number 5, polluted. Number 6, activities. Number 7, chimneys. Number 8, vehicles. Number 9, bursting. Number 10, firecrackers. Number 11, asthma. Number 12, bronchitis. Number 13, diseases. Number 14, disorders. Number 15, diarrhea. Number 16, vomiting. Number 17, factories. Number 18, fertilizers. Number 19, pleasant. Number 20, blurring. 21, excessive. 22, honking. 23, loudspeakers. 24, polybags. And 25, volume. All these words you have to underline in your book. Okay. Now children. Yes children, welcome back. Let's continue the explanation of chapter 4, our environment. Children, when we look around us, we see many things. Okay. We see rivers, mountains, trees, plants. We see benches, doors, fan. So many things we see. So all these things are our environment. In our environment, there are two types of things. One is living thing and another is non-living thing. Living thing and non-living things. Now, how to see which thing is living or non-living thing? Children, see, living things breathe, living things grow, living things eat, living things move. I will give you a small example of a roadside stone and a sparrow. Okay, a roadside stone never moves in his own. If we have to move it, we have to put it from one place to another, only then it will move. And a sparrow can move from one place to another in her own. A roadside stone never breathes, but a sparrow breathes. A roadside stone never eats, so he doesn't grow. But a sparrow eats, so it grows bigger. A roadside stone never gives babies, but a sparrow lays eggs and hatch. After hatching eggs, she gets babies, chicks she gets. So this is the biggest difference between the living and non-living things. A stone is a non-living thing and a bird is a living thing. Now children, the living things are divided in two parts. Animals and plants. Okay. Living things are divided in two parts, that is animals and plants. Animals breathe, plants also breathe. Animals grow, plants also grow. Animals move from one place to another. We can hardly see the movement of a plant. Okay. Now the non-living things. Non-living things are also divided in two parts. One is natural and another is man-made. Natural things are like air, water, soil, and man-made things are so many man-made things are here, like pole, table, chair, and so many. So now with the help of this, I have explained the living things and non-living things. Living things are divided in two parts, plants and animals. Okay, living things breathe, living things grow, living things eat, living things give birth to their babies, and living things can move from one place to another in their own. Non-living things are divided in two parts, natural and man-made. Natural things are like air, water, soil, you can add mountain also. And man-made things, there are so many examples for man-made things. Okay, now see children, the air we breathe in, the water we drink and the place where we live are all the parts of our environment. Children, many times we throw so many things in the environment. The waste we throw in the environment, it pollutes our environment. Okay. So this waste pollutes our environment. That anything which is thrown in the environment, it is of no use and it harms the environment, it is called pollutant. Okay. And that harmness is called pollution. There are four kinds of pollutions in this lesson. That we will see here. The first pollution in your book is air pollution. Air pollution. Number 2 is water pollution. Number 3, soil pollution. And number 4 is noise pollution. Air gets polluted due to various human activities like smoke from factories, from motor vehicles, and so many. When we breathe in polluted air, we may fall ill. Okay, air pollution causes so many diseases. Air pollution causes asthma and bronchitis. Polluted air is even bad for plants and animals also. So, to avoid air pollution, we should plant more trees. Now, water pollution. Human activities like bathing in water bodies, cleaning in water bodies, and dumping of waste into water bodies, and some factories also throw their waste in the water bodies. That is called that causes water pollution. Water pollution also causes so many diseases. If we drink the polluted water, we may fall ill, and it causes diseases like vomiting, stomach disorder, diarrhea, etc. So we should not throw waste, we should not throw garbage in the water bodies. Now children, it is land pollution. Now what causes land pollution? Excessive use of fertilizers from the farmers and the throwing of garbage, like we are using poly bags. When we throw these poly bags in the soil, it pollutes the land. Okay, so do not use poly bags. Dumping of waste by factories also causes land pollution. Now we will see noise pollution. The sound that is not pleasant to our ear is called noise pollution. There is too much of noise. It is called noise pollution. Children, it causes noise pollution causes like blaring of horns and excessive honking of vehicles, bursting of crackers, and playing of music at high volume, or you can say loud volume. That causes noise pollution. So we should not play music on high volume or loud volume. And noise pollution causes harms of ears and hearing. So now we will see how to save our environment. Children, to save our environment, we should grow more trees. Never throw garbage here and there. Throw it in the covered dustbin. Do not use poly bags. Do not use poly bags. Take jute bags while going for shopping. Say no to firecrackers. Don't use firecrackers. Okay, it causes air pollution. Do not waste water. We should save water. And the last one is do not play music at loud volume. We should not play music at loud volume. Now children, the explanation part of this chapter is over. See you in the next video class.